The magnet is under there. You can just about see. I'm thinking I'll cut the head off a spare screw and glue it over that hole so that you can't see the magnet. Under here there's a little light that comes on as each gear is plugged in. So that's working. Spinning them at the moment does nothing. As we drop in, so this is the magnet sensor. As we drop in the middle gear, first thing we'll see is that its LED comes on when it goes in, and then the LED just there will light once per revolution of the middle gear. And on the third revolution, you may have heard the relay clicked, which would switch the maglock off. Great. Also, if you unplug a gear, then 1 second later the relay switches back on. So even if we do as many revolutions as we want, without the fifth gear installed, nothing happens. If we put the fifth gear back in, then on the third revolution the relay clicks. Great success.